Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing Dr Noze so it runs reliably. Plug in or confirm the battery is at least 50%, then attach the mask or nozzle firmly. Leaks waste output and reduce effectiveness. Once done, inspect and replace the disposable filter if dirty, and choose auto mode for general use or manual when you need specific intensity. Make sure to set a comfortable duration on the timer, short bursts first, so you can evaluate results and avoid overuse. Now you move into optimization. Begin at a low intensity and increase in small steps, pausing 60 to 90 seconds after each change to observe effects. Position the nozzle 1 to 2 centimeters from the target so spray pattern stays steady, and tilt slightly to control spread. If sensitivity is an issue, switch to pulse mode. This reduces continuous exposure while keeping effectiveness. Make notes of the exact intensity and timing that deliver consistent results. That saves time next session. To finish, run a brief 30-second cooldown at low power so internal components stabilize, then power off and store Dr Noze upright to prevent residue buildup. If you notice weak output, immediately clean the nozzle and air path with an alcohol swab, reseat or replace the filter, and retry. This fixes most flow problems. If issues persist, run the built-in self-test, note any error codes, and contact support with your model and serial number so they can guide you through repair steps.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.